Sorry about that, guys, got interrupted. Yeah, be able to cut off an inch and a half up here. That way when I put the seats back in, not only I have the seats back in, but now I'll be able to fold this back part down. So pause that right now and show you what it looks like once you take the bolts out. Okay, this is what it looks like, guys. Once you have the back seat out, I got a special tool to remove these little plugs with, so that way we can get back here behind the wall. But yeah, we're gonna take out finally what's left is the back seat there. The only reason why I haven't taken that out is my brother had to go out on a quick errand. That's a little quick interruption. But when he comes back, we'll be ready to take it out. Here's the bolt that came out of it, right there. These are 18 millimeter, just in case any of you are interested. And these here, these are the bolts that are in front, so they go all the way across. See? And they're a special torque bolt. They're not hex head. So you have to get yourself one of these little where is it? Here it is. This little Starburst wrench I have here. I don't know if you can see the size. But anyways, that's what you'll have to get. And I have two, well, we have two ratchets here, two impacts. This is the one for the fronts, and those are the ones, that impact right there for the rear, so we don't have to keep constantly disconnecting. And there's an amp that's going to be going either under the seat or against the firewall. Most likely, since it's so small and flat, I'll just put it under the seat. So I'll get back with you guys and let you know how everything goes. See you later. Bye. Okay, guys, back at it. Today's part 2, and I took off the back wall. I guess it's the sound deadener or whatever you want to call it. Sorry, guys, I had to switch to a different phone or camera. The phone died, so I got this little GoPro. But anyways, just to show you what it looks like back here. The carpeting, this is what all the seats are out. But this is one thing that everyone's been inquiring about. It's the subwoofer. There is the little attachment right there. That's how you disconnect the subwoofer. So you're all wondering where it's at, what it looks like, how to access it. There it is. There's the 4 bolts, 2 on the bottom, 2 up on top. So I'm gonna try to commence taking it out. Okay, guys, see you later.